Hello everyone, welcome to our ETABS tutorial series. In this video, we will take a comprehensive look at our ETABS interface. It's a powerful software for structural analysis and design. Let's dive in and explore how the ETABS works. Come to the screen, we will catch out the points. The menu bar is located at the top of the screen and provides access to various menus, including file, edit, view, and more. Let's take a look at some of the key menus. The file menus allows us to create new projects, open existing ones, and save our work. The edit menu provides options for undoing and redoing actions as well as cutting, copying, and pasting objects. The view menus allows us to customize the display of our model, including zooming in and out and toggling various views on and off. The toolbars provide quick access to frequently used commands. We have the standard toolbars. We have the standard toolbar, which includes buttons for common actions, like saving and printing, and the draw toolbar, which allows us to create and modify objects in our model. Now, let's take a look at the model window. This is where we will spend most of our time creating and modifying our structural model. The model window displays our structure in 2D and 3D format. Here you can see, and we can customize the display to suit our needs. The grid system is an essential part. The grid system is an essential part of creating a model in ETABS. Grids help us define the location of object in our model, and they can be customized to fit our specific needs. Let's take a look at how to create and manage grid in ETABS. Object properties define the characteristics of structural elements, such as beams, columns, and walls. We can assign properties to objects in our model, and ETABS will use these properties to perform analysis and design. Let's take a look at how to assign properties to objects in ETABS. We can select objects in our model and then assign properties using the property menu, the property toolbar. Load cases define the loads that act on our structure, such as dead loads, live loads, and wind loads. Load combinations allow us to combine multiple load cases to determine the maximum loads on our structure. Let's take a look at how to define load cases and combinations in ETABS. We can create new loads, cases, and combinations using the load menu, and we can also modify existing ones. Now come to the point, analysis and design options. ETABS provides a range of analysis and design options, including static and dynamic analysis. We can select the type of analysis we want to perform, and ETABS will use our model and load cases to determine the results. Let's take a look at some of the analysis and design options available in ETABS. We can select the type of analysis we want to perform, and we can also customize the design options to suit our specific needs. Now come to the end, results, display and reporting. Once we have performed analysis and design, we can display the report and results in various ways. ETABS provides graphical and tabular output, allowing us to visualize and understand our results. Let's take a look at how to display and report results in ETABS. We can select the type of results we want to display, and ETABS will provide us ETABS will provide us with a range of options for customizing the output. Take a key ways. Understand the ETABS interface and its various components. Learn how to navigate using of menu bars and toolbars. Discover how to create and manage grids. Design object properties and define load cases and combinations. Get an overview of design and analysis, design options, and results display and reporting. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Daily Architecture. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.